Hi guys, back with Bassington. Hope you're all keeping well and hope you're all staying safe. In a recent vlog, I outlined what great value the Beretta 690 Field 1 is. I did mention that I only had one issue with the gun, and I said I would talk about that in a later vlog, and that's what I'm here to discuss. The issue I have is the gun case. There's a picture of the gun case coming up now. It's not particularly great. It's just a cheap plastic gun case. And I'm a great believer that when you go shooting, whether it's game shooting or it's clay pigeon shooting, you should always carry your gun in your gun case. So that doesn't really look particularly great when you're rolling up at a game shoot, pulling out that plastic blue case and then putting into, say, a nice leather gun slip. It didn't just sit with the gun and the aesthetics. So I wanted to get a new gun case for it. And I'm putting up a picture now of my Beretta 694 gun case, which is far better. And I thought I'd go online to Beretta and purchase one of those. The problem was that was going to be £375, and I was quite shocked. I didn't think that was great value. I was expecting round about £150 to £200 mark. And I thought, well, I'm not paying £375 for an ABS case. That's ridiculous. So I started looking around, and I ended up buying a gun case for the Beretta 691 Field. And this is what I chose. And this is it. It's by a firm called Guardian. And I went for the canvas with leather trimmed option. So it's leather trimmed at the side, protecting the case from getting scuffed. It has the full leather straps, its name embossed there as well in leather. Leather handle, also has the security lock here, and if you look internally, it is in a beautiful green lining, and I have to say it really does set the gun off when the 691 Field is encased in here. It really does look the part. Now these cost about £125, and you can pick them up for most gun shops, gun suppliers, and I have to say they represent cracking value. I did spend some time looking, and I can honestly say I couldn't get a better priced gun case than this. So I'd highly recommend you buy a Guardian gun case. I've been very happy with this, and as I say, I think it looks really nice. Stay safe, stay tuned.